Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a complete breast pumping tutorial 2026 for mothers who want a simple, comfortable, and modern pumping routine. Breast pumping has become an important part of daily life for many mothers, especially for working moms, traveling mothers, or anyone who wants more flexibility while continuing breastfeeding. With the right technique and routine, pumping can become much easier and more effective. Before starting your session, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and correctly assembled. Hygiene is one of the most important parts of safe pumping and milk storage. Next, choose a comfortable and quiet place where you can relax. Many mothers notice that milk flow becomes smoother when they feel calm and comfortable. Even small things like proper back support or a peaceful environment can make a big difference. Before placing the pump, take a few moments to prepare your body. Some mothers gently massage the breast or use a warm cloth for a short time before pumping. This may help support milk flow and make the session feel more comfortable. Now place the pump properly and begin slowly. If you are using an electric pump, start with a gentle stimulation mode or low suction level. If you are using a manual pump, begin with a slow and steady rhythm. Starting too fast can sometimes make the process less comfortable. In the beginning, milk flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Your body needs time to respond, especially if you are still building a routine. Staying relaxed and patient is very important. During pumping, try to maintain a comfortable rhythm instead of changing settings too often. Consistency usually gives better results and helps your body respond naturally. Some mothers also combine gentle breast compression with pumping. This technique can help support milk flow and may help remove milk more effectively during the session. After finishing, carefully transfer the milk into a clean storage container or storage bag. Labeling the milk with the date and time helps keep everything organized and easier to manage later. Cleaning the pump after every session is another very important step. Wash all parts carefully, allow them to dry completely, and store them in a clean place for the next use. It is also helpful to build a regular pumping routine. Pumping at similar times each day helps your body adjust and can support a more consistent milk supply over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.